In a linear communication model, one person sends a message, meaning talk, and then the other person receives the message and relays the message. While in a transactional model, two individuals are communicating back and forth, creating conversation. In a transactional model example, you could say someone says, "Oh, how was your day?" And then the way that they respond with, "Oh, it was okay." Or they could say, "Oh, it was all right." It depends on how they respond to you for how you're going to respond to them. Say they said it was okay in the sad mood, you would try to comfort them and talk to them, in a different tone of voice. And if they said it was okay in a better, like happier tone of voice, you would want to see like what happened at work, want to get all the details and stuff like that.